Hey, welcome back. So this is an older video that I stumbled across in the many terabytes of riding footage that I've collected over the years. In this video, a few of us met up on a damp, foggy evening for a mellow ride. I hadn't been on a Supermoto in about a year or so. The rider in front happened to bring their Supermoto out that day, so we just kind of had a little fun flowing and enjoying the road. This ride is actually the ride that made me realize I needed to change my riding style and trust my tires a little bit more. So when riding, I've taken a lot from observing others. And in this video, you can see how the lead rider flows. Prior to this point, I'd always stuck a leg out when at these lean angles on a Supermoto, when they get a little bit more intense. But being a taller rider, that's always been an issue because that involves me having to hold my leg up in corners, which I noticed would throw me off and make me kind of second guess my cornering position and throw off kind of just the tilt of the bike. But by just mirroring the rider in front of me and keeping my feet up and just kind of doing a traditional sport bike lean, which I hadn't necessarily really considered doing on a Supermoto, just with the narrower tires, I unlocked a new level of comfort that has continued to improve my riding over the years and is still the style that I use to this day. So anyways, I'm going to stop talking here in a second, but before I do, I just want to say thank you again to all of those of you who have made your way here, discovered this channel, and decided to stay. Those of you that are subscribed, I really appreciate you guys always stopping by and riding along. And going forward, as this channel has always been, it will always be a non-clickbait, just straight riding channel. For those of you who are similar to me and just like to watch riding and no added drama or clickbait, this will continue to be the space for you, and I'll continue to upload all of these thousands of videos that I have, and including all of the current ones. So once again, thanks again for stopping by and riding along, and I hope you all have a good one.
Alright man, be safe.